This product, it's called Unigrip. The purpose of the Unigrip is to improve the suspension of the liner inside the socket. And the second purpose is to prevent the liner from rotate inside the socket. So I'm going to show you how to apply the Unigrip to the socket. So first of all, I'd like to show you how to apply the Unigrip vertically inside the socket to improve the suspension. So first of all, you take off the backing of the Unigrip. So it's a sticker. And remember the position of the sharp edge, it's pointing towards the bottom of the socket so that it can go in easy, but it will have resistance when you take out the liner. So now the liner, especially the one with the fabric outside, goes in easy, but if you want to take out, then the friction will create the resistance. And then whether to put 1 or 2 or 3 pieces, it's really up to you, and you will find out what is the appropriate suspension the patient needs. So basically you may be able to put 1 piece more here, or another piece can be put 1 here. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the other way is put the Unigrip horizontally so that prevent the liner from rotating inside the socket. First of all, you can cut the Unigrip shorter. It doesn't have to be a complete pieces. You can cut it in half. And then I take off the backing. As you remember, I mentioned the Unigrip has to point to the same direction. So this piece point here. And then the other piece will again pointing to here. So you can see both will pointing on the same direction. So now when the liner goes in, both will create the friction so that the liner cannot rotate from any direction.